Hello guys, gagawa ako ngayon ng chocolate ice cream. Try lang natin. 2 Nestle cream, 350 grams ata yan. Chilled, 2 Nestle cream. Tapos, imimix lang, mixer. Yan, imimix ng mixer. Hanggang magdoble ang kanyang volume. And guys, lalagyan ng condense. 1 can of condense. Mix. Two sachets of Milo. Mix. 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. Mix. Yan guys, after nyan, pag na-mix na ng maigi, lalagay sa container. Yan na guys, chocolate ice cream.
Wala pa.
Yan, yummy yummy na yan, matigas na. Yummy yummy. Thank you for watching. God bless.